Recently, news broke that Thailand will be imposing visa requirements on Jamaicans and a few other Caribbean countries. Naturally, many Jamaicans had something to say about this, with some expressing disbelief, insisting no Jamaicans are going to Thailand. But let's pause for a moment. If Jamaicans weren't going to Thailand in significant numbers, why would the Thai government bother imposing visa restrictions? The truth is, Jamaicans are indeed going to Thailand, and not just for quick vacations. Many have overstayed their visas, which is why Thailand has now decided to regulate the influx with stricter entry requirements. It's not just a random move. It's about managing immigration and ensuring that people don't overstay their welcome. So yes, while it may seem strange at first, the fact is that Jamaicans have been making their way to Thailand in enough numbers to prompt this change. While we're on the topic of Jamaicans spreading out across the globe, did you know that there's a Jamaican community in Saudi Arabia? It might come as a surprise, but Jamaicans have been working in Saudi Arabia for over 7 years now, primarily in industries related to bauxite mining and alumina processing. These are areas where Jamaicans have gained expertise back home, and now many of them are applying those skills in Saudi Arabia, contributing to major projects and earning a living in an entirely different part of the world. It's a perfect example of how Jamaicans are finding opportunities beyond the usual paths. For many decades, the US, Canada, and England have been the go-to places for Jamaicans seeking better opportunities, whether through education, work, or simply a chance to start fresh. But things are changing. As immigration policies tighten and competition grows fiercer in these traditional destinations, Jamaicans are increasingly looking elsewhere for greener pastures. We're not just sticking to the familiar, we're exploring the world, from the Middle East to Asia. Places like Thailand, Saudi Arabia, and even parts of Europe that were once off the radar are now becoming part of the Jamaican migration story.